I'm Clint Segrist. I'm the construction trades instructor here at Northeast Tech. The first year students come in and they're going to actually study their safety skills first. They'll do a book called NCCER, and it provides a lot of that information that they really need to learn the basic skills of construction. My second year students have 1 year of course knowledge, and they're going to come back in and they're going to take the Carpentry Fundamentals 2 book, and it's an advanced course. They're going to do concrete, rebar, things of that sort, site layout. They're going to be a lead person also, that second year student, in order to help those first year students to be able to get better. The house that we build every year and sold it, that house is all the way from the ground up. It will be anything from foundation to flooring to framing, all the way up to the roof structure, rafters, ceiling joists, all the shingles. Interior-wise, they're going to do the sheetrock, cabinets, trim, anything to do on the inside of the house except for a floor covering. All that is done by these students. We even go into a commercial field, which is a building that our students built 2 years ago. And that building is a red iron steel building, so they can learn more of commercial trade. Last year I had 14 leave the program, and 7 of them were adults. Those 7 adults, 6 of them went commercial, and the lowest paid was $17 an hour, the highest paid was $26. Then in the high school students, I had several that just went into the residential area, and they start out around $15 an hour, and some of them are making up to $19 an hour now after about a year. Decide if you really want to be in this program and how much effort you want to give it. It's not just cut and dried on just certain things, because you could be a concrete person, you could be a trim person, a cabinet maker, a framer, shingler, contractor, okay? Or a superintendent on a commercial job. You have to want it and desire it for it to really step forward, and you can be able to do that later in life.